standard B section, SRGDS Nursery and Primary School, Science Experiment, Float and Skin. I will start the experiments. I will take care 10 float things and I will take care 10 skin things, and I will take it to glasses. I will start the experiment and I will take care one plastic water bottle can cap. This is a float, and I will take a clay. This is a skin. Float skin. Next, second one, cotton and hair clip. Float this skin. Next, third one, tape and carom coin. This is a float. This skin. Next, fourth one, cotton rubber band. Next, eraser. Cotton rubber band, float, eraser, skin. Next, fifth one, toothpick and rupees coin. Toothpick, it is a float. Coin, skin. Next, sixth one, ice cream stick and crayons. Ice cream stick, floating, crayons, skin. Next, seventh one, cardboard and chalk piece. Cardboard is floating, chalk piece, skin. Next, eighth one, color glass sheet and screw. Screw is king, color glass stick is float. Next, ninth one rubber band, float, earring, skin. Rubber band is float, earring, skin. Next, 10th one, paper and pearl. Paper is floating, pearl is skin. Why are the float things are float? Why are these things are float? These things are weightless. Why are these things are skin? These things are weight. These experiments float under things. Thank you.
மாணவர்களின் சிறந்த படைப்புகளை லைக் செய்து சாதனை படைக்க உதவுங்கள். நன்றி.